are going to be introducing our new Flex IPCs. They're industrial panel PCs for the automation industry. This is our headquarters in Bochum, Germany. It's a second generation family owned company with a workforce of about 200. All of our production is pretty much done in Germany to ensure the highest quality product that we can for our customers. We have sales offices pretty much all around the world, with one being in the United States in Georgia, a little bit south of Atlanta, in Peachtree City, and then we have one in Germany as well, Austria, Switzerland, and in the UK. But like I said, all of our production is mainly done in Germany. These are some of our major customers, and as you can see, we provide more customized input solutions for the automotive industry, automation, medical industry, a very, very wide range of industry pretty much. Most of our customers request more of customized input solutions, but we do, however, provide some standard products as well. This is our new industrial control panel and panel PC. It is very practical for machine control, industrial fabrication equipment, and things like that. It comes with the housing, the electronics, the enclosure, and the software and things like that. So it's pretty much a package deal. We provide our Flex IPCs in different sizes, small to large. They come in sizes 5.7, 10.4, and 12.1 inches, and they're all LCD screens. All of them are going to have an alphanumeric arrow and function keypad, and pretty much the differences between the sizes is that some of them are going to have more function keys than others. They're going to vary in the CPU that's used with them and things like that. We provide each and every one in basic, advanced, and power, which are our standard models. They're going to range in CPU usage and system memory as well. Our modular unit is going to be the customized unit. From scratch, they're going to be able to customize. Customize the entire unit based on the CPU, the system memory. Pretty much everything, the type of keys that are going to be used on the actual screen, really, start to finish, completely fully customizable for the customer. All of our units are going to be including a resistive touchscreen, along with all of the keys on the side, so you're not just stuck with the actual touchscreen, but you have the option of the function keys on the side as well, which makes it a little bit more convenient to use. All of them are going to be fully sealed according to IP65, which means that they're going to be splash-proof, waterproof. They're going to be able to, be wiped down if cleaned or anything. They're resistive to really small dust particles, which makes it really, convenient for the industrial and automation industry. Integrated studs and USB connections makes it really convenient for connecting any of the additional devices that might be used in the applications and things like that. To go a little bit further into the customization process, we have easy label templates available online on our website. You'll be able to pretty much label or create labels for all of the function keys that are located on the side of the touch screen. You can fill those out online. Pretty much print out the labels itself, and then there's going to be a pocket in the back of the screen where you can, stick all of the labels in, so you have all of the, the function keys on the sides labeled according to, the products you might, or the projects you might need those for. We have an open software architecture for all of our panel PCs, which means that you're not going to be stuck, with one specific software when buying our panel PCs, which makes it really convenient. kind of figuring out the type of software that you personally or, the company might use for the specific project that you need. It's going to be easy to service. It's a modular component concept, which means that just in case if one component breaks down, or you would like to upgrade just one specific part of the panel PC, you don't have to send in the entire unit, but just take that one small component, send it in, and you'll get the repaired part, or like I said, the upgraded part for that. So if at any point you would like to switch out just one little thing or one little component on the PC, you'll be able to send that specific part in instead of the entire unit itself. Starting at quantities of 25 and more, we're going to be able to provide you with a company logo and maybe your specific color scheme on the Flex IPC itself. So instead of having our logo, the H&K logo on there, it's going to have your company's logo on there, which is going to keep it, in the mind of the customer, instead of coming to you saying, you know what, I'll need one more of the HK Automation Flex IPC. It's going to say, I would like to have one more of, of your Flex IPCs instead of the HK Automation. So it's going to keep your company's brand in the mind of the customers instead of ours. This is going to go a little bit more in detail on the Flex IPC-S, which is our, smaller, more compact version. Like I said, they come in sizes, 5.7 inches. The CPU is going to range from basic to all the way to power. It's going to range in megahertz from 312 all the way to 1.6 gigahertz. As far as the system memory goes, the 64 megabyte, including the basic, is pretty much the lowest system memory that we do provide, and it only comes with the small version of the Flex IPC. And then the system memory can go all the way up to 1 gigabyte. The Flex IPC Medium is the medium model. It's really practical for all types of automation processes. It's going to have a screen size of 10.4 inches. Again, it's going to be a resistive touchscreen, which we're going to have in all of the models as well. The CPU is going to range all the way to 1.6 gigahertz, and the system memory, instead of starting at 62, like you saw in the small version, it's going to start at 512 megabyte, and again goes all the way up to 1.6 gigabyte. The large version is the largest one that we currently offer. It's going to be a 12.1 resistive touchscreen. And the system memory, again, very similar to the medium version, is going to go from 512 megabyte all the way to 1 gigabyte. Like I said in the beginning, our modular concept is going to be the one where the customer is going to have full control of pretty much every single part of the Flex IPC. Everything is going to be able to be customized according to the wants and needs of the customer and according to the specific project or application that they might need it for. The process will start with choosing the size of the screen and the unit itself. Again, that's going to be Flex IPC S, M, or L. Then the second step really goes into further detail on the type of processor you might need, the system memory, which again is going to go all the way up to 1 gigabyte. The flash memory, the operating system. All of the operating systems are really going to be based on Windows. Windows 7, Windows XP, and then a couple of different other versions of Windows operating systems. The additional ports that we would have available can be really customized. Either, they can be connected in the back or the front of the PC, depending on the type of application that you might need them for. So really front to back, they can be, fully customized to the wants and needs of the customer and the application they would need the Flex IPC for. If you have any further questions, or you would like to receive any additional information on our Flex IPCs, or how they can be really integrated into the application that you currently have, or for new applications, they're very great for retrofitting, or like I said, maybe getting them into different new applications that you might start. Feel free to visit us. We're right across booth 634. And also, for more information, feel free to visit our website, either hoffmanencrypner.com, where you will find really the broad range of our product portfolio, which is going to be all types of customized input systems, based on our membrane keyboard technology, and then hkautomation.com, which is going to be further details on the Flex IPCs itself.